Right, good afternoon. It has been a while. So I'm currently in the middle of repairing something. So I've got the soldering iron heating up there, running off the jackery. I am repairing some wiring on the back of the hedge cutter that unfortunately somehow moved this way, rubbed on the side of the tyre. So yeah, we're just in the process of repairing that because I've got to take this off and put on the chain harrows ready for tomorrow. Got to get the buggy ready to go seeding and then this to go rolling as well. So the tractor's got to go going to the same job. So just got to get this repaired so I can actually take the hedge cutter off and get ready for tomorrow. It's been one of those days today, really. So yeah, just got to get ready and get cracking, really. Sky, patient farm dog. Right, so it's bodjazz, but I've done electrical tape because the 11 odd meters of heat shrink that I bought is too small, so it'll be alright for these control wires because these are obviously much narrower, so that'll be fine. They'll be able to be heat shrinked properly, but these power cables I am just electric taping them. So yeah, starting to get cold now again. I mean, last time I did videos was, well, it was early spring, maybe one in May, bit of mowing, but no, we're back for now. It's been a while. Right, so I'm now filming back on the DJI Osmo camera, which I haven't used in months. Right, so if you can see here, we've done a bit of bodge, love a bodge. That wire, and that wire. I think it's a 4, 3, 3, 4. 4 wires, orange, purple, red and red. Just, they weren't split, they were just rubbed through, so I've just wrapped those up in electric tape. These ones I've just resoldered, and then, if it's going to focus, resoldered. These are the power cables, resoldered and wrapped up. Yeah, now I'm just going to tidy up and then head out, take the hedge cutter off and take the front mount flail. Oh, that's another thing. This isn't my flail mower, this is from Teagle, because my X Pro 250 has gone back down to them to be refabricated again. So this is a brand spanking new one until the other day when I started using it. So mine's cracked again. Here, this one's even cracking there, if you can see that crack. It's not good.
It's not looking good, Bev. It's not looking good.
Mine's cracking there, cracking the same again on the other side, but mine is also cracking on the bottom of these gearbox mounts, there and there. So it's not good really for a, it's like £12,500 plus VAT, this flail mower is. It's not a cheap flail mower, and you'd expect it to last a long time, and they're just not. The performance of it, amazing, but reliability has been pretty poor. So I thought I'd give a short tutorial on how to take off a hedge cutter for those who don't know. So this is a McConnell PA 57, 55, 60. So what we do first, as you've just seen, come back, put it in sort of a tripod position with the head sort of just above the ground. It's just above the ground because we will physically lower everything down once the arms are down. So once the legs are down, we'll drop these down first. Then we'll just make sure that there's not too much pressure being put on anything. We will then disconnect the PTO. We will fold this back, disconnect this top link, fold that back, fold this A-frame back, fold that back, and then it's just a case of unplugging electric points and plugs and removing the gear engage cable. So that is it. So firstly, we've got these legs which come down and sit in a certain position. You put them in the lowest. The next one is right in there. You're going to struggle to see. It's a bit of an awkward one, but we'll give it a go. Right, that is both legs down. That's both legs down. So now comes the point. Now you'll see, this is why we hover the head just above the floor, about 6 inches. Because when we put the legs down, they are also around 6 inches. So everything is hovering about 6 inches off the floor. So when we put it down, there won't be much adjustment. So on our mudguard here, lift and lower on the linkage, down she comes. Heads touch the floor. Legs have touched the floor. Right, so now we've got this top link. So firstly, we'll undo the star. We'll then spin it round so you can feel there's no pressure on this pin. Knock that through. Linch pin out. Top link pin out. Rotate. From there, we'll just take out this plug because it's in the way somewhat. Right, next we will take off this A-frame. I did say before we'll take the PTO off first. We won't. Engine is also running. So A-frame next. There's a linch pin here. Take that out. It's the main pin that connects this top link to the tractor's top link connections. Now, this is where it gets a bit fiddly, and you're going to have to use a little bit of grease sometimes, a little bit of WD-40. This top link, which I'm actually going to put back in, because it does get that amount of stiffness in there. You can use this top link to leverage it. Right, hopefully you can hear me a little bit easier. As you can see, I have changed. Right, so it is a bit stiff. We're using a little bit of that. It is a little bit stiff, so we're just going to drop the link arms off completely. Down they go. Tractor is nearly fully disconnected. It's just this top link now. So we've just lowered those arms. You might have just seen these drop. So the tractor now, the only thing attaching it is this top link, which is a bit stiff. It's usually a bit stiff because I keep my hedge cutter on the tractor most of the year. And it kind of sets in there. It's never too bad, but it's, you know, if you're taking your hedge cutter off every now and then, it's going to come off much easier. So that A-frame, I'm actually just heading across to grab some bungees because that A-frame likes to drop just with gravity and how it's set up. There's no way to keep, there's no keeper there. There's no hook or anything. It's kind of just kept there with hopes and dreams. Bungee cords and bale twine. They keep gates together, they keep machinery together, most importantly, they keep people together. Just going to take this lovely orange bungee here and yeah, we're just going to take this lovely orange bungee, carry it round. Yeah. You know what they say, that ain't going anywhere. Right, so next is the PTO. Take off the chain. Hard to do one-handed. Cover. Don't do this at home, children. Pull that out, pull the collar. Keep your fingers out the way of the shaft. Right, so before the tractor comes back, I've got to put the hydraulic top link on, put the chain harrows on, and then we are good to go for the morning. So this is our 2025 CF Moto U10 Pro. We got rid of the Polaris that you would have seen earlier in the channel and we replaced it with this lovely new U10 Pro. Now the reason for the upgrade to a UTV over a quad bike is for us it allows us to carry more, tow more, and this is de-restricted to 73 miles per hour on the road. It's a 3-cylinder triple, a little bit like a Triumph Speed Triple or Street Triple engine. Apart from this is 999cc. And that is the main reason. So we can put the sprayer in the back and we can be a mini self-propelled spraying setup and get to jobs quickly and efficiently. Don't have to put it on a trailer or anything, just drive straight there. You can put 450 kilos in the bed. It's electric tipping, electric hydraulic tipping. And yeah, I'll do more on this, but this is just a quick rundown because it's covered in cow shit at the minute, and I'm going to get that cleaned off because she's going out on a spraying job, a spreading job tomorrow, which you will see.